Hello people, you have been creating videos using the CapCut video editor, but you always notice that watermark at the end of the video, and that can be very annoying, and you want to know how can you remove it. You're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and let's make sure we have the CapCut video editor app updated to the latest version. After that, let's go ahead and open the CapCut video editor. Now, you can tap right here to create a new project. Choose the project that you want to create and the video, of course. And here we go. We add it from here in the bottom right corner. After that, we added the video. At the end of the video, as you can see here, we have this annoying part that is the watermark. You can tap on it to just delete it by tapping the delete button in the bottom right corner. But if you want to delete it permanently, follow up with me. I got you covered on this one. Go ahead and quit from here. From the main page of CapCut, tap right here on this gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings. Now tap on add default ending, so switch this off. Now once you tap there, go ahead and tap on discard to confirm your decision. Just like that. Once you go back and choose to add a new video to the app, let's go ahead and add a video quickly. Tap on it in the bottom right corner. Let's head out to the end. Voila guys, there is no ending right here, so basically no watermark, and you have removed it permanently. If you want to remove this watermark from old project, let's tap on the project that you want to remove it from, swipe to the end of the project, and you can tap on it and delete it by tapping here in the bottom right corner. And that was basically it for this video guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.